Hello everyone! Welcome to another English Classes with Teacher Says. Today, we're going to learn how to use modals in sentences. Modals are words that add meaning to the main verb in a sentence by expressing possibility, ability, permission, or obligation. Here are the tables of modals, uses, and their examples. For modals can, can't, or could are used to show ability, possibility, informal permission, informal polite requests, or impossibility. Examples: I can sing and dance. Smoking can cause cancer. Can I borrow your book? Could I send you my project? You can stay longer under the sun. For modals, have to and need to are used to show necessity or lack of necessity. Examples: we have to go now. We need to stop bad habits. You need not to say that. May is used in making polite requests, formal permission, or when you have less than 50% certainty. Examples: may I come in? This may help you. Might is used when you have less than 50% certainty. Example: it might rain today. Must is used for strong necessity, prohibition, or when you have 95% certainty. Examples: you must quit smoking. We must not violate the rules. She must be our teacher. Ought to, used for advisability or obligation, or when you have 80% certainty. Examples: every child ought to finish their education. 2 lemons ought to be enough for this dish. Shall is used to ask another person's opinion or for obligation. Examples: shall we invite some guests? Learners shall study very well. Should is used for advisability or past obligation or when you have 80% certainty. Examples: you should take a rest. Rico should be here in 10 minutes. Will is used for futurity and willingness. Examples: we will have a quiz tomorrow. I will just send you some updates. Would is used for invitation or past possibility. Examples: I would like to invite you to my party. When she was young, she would send greeting cards for special occasions. Now let's check if you already know how to use modals given the following situations. Number 1. Use modals in inviting a friend to a party. Number 2. You failed in your quiz. Make a promise using modals that you will do better next time. Lastly, number 3. You woke up late. Using modals, tell yourself, what will you do next time? You may write your answers in the comments box below. See? There are so many ways on how to use modals depending on the situation, our intentions, our abilities, and certainties. That's all for now. Click subscribe for more lessons. Class dismissed.